In the eyes of animals, we glimpse the purity of nature's poetry. Animals are Earth's silent guardians, teaching us lessons in love and loyalty. Each creature is a masterpiece, a brushstroke in the canvas of biodiversity. The wilderness speaks a language of footprints, and animals are the storytellers. In the animal kingdom, diversity is the melody, and harmony is the dance. Animals are nature's diplomats, bridging gaps with the universal language of instinct. The gaze of a wild creature holds the untamed wisdom of ancient landscapes. In the silent woods, animals leave imprints of grace, weaving tales of survival. The heartbeat of the wilderness is the symphony of animals in perfect rhythm. Animals are the ambassadors of ecosystems, whispering secrets of balance and harmony. In the wilderness, animals are poets, crafting verses with the language of survival. The paws of animals write stories on the earth, leaving imprints of untamed grace. Animals are living poems, etching verses of instinct and resilience. The dance of butterflies and the roar of lions are notes in nature's grand composition. Every creature is a chapter in the epic tale of the wild, contributing to the narrative of life. In the eyes of a wolf, we see the echoes of the untamed, the call of the wild. Animals are nature's architects, building homes with the blueprints of instinct. The wisdom of animals is written in the language of survival, a lexicon of adaptation. In the wilderness, animals are the painters, splashing the landscape with colors of diversity. Animals are Earth's poets, crafting verses with the rhythm of the wild. The flutter of wings and the rustle of fur are the whispers of the animal kingdom's secrets. Each species is a note in the symphony of biodiversity, creating a harmonious melody. Animals are teachers of simplicity, reminding us of the beauty in life's uncomplicated moments. The roar of a lion echoes the power of the wild, a testament to the strength of nature. In the eyes of a dolphin, we find the reflection of the boundless joy of the ocean. Animals are the custodians of the planet, entrusted with the secrets of its delicate balance.